to submit this very priceless nomination and expression of interest from our dear President and leader, His Excellency Ashwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as he seeks to lead us for another 4-year term. Through thick and thin, the President has put his mettle and has shown the world that his capacity and resolve to pull the nation out of the world's release and pace. Indeed, the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President has reflected on many successes of this administration. The socio-economic impacts have been phenomenal in pushing out quality results. His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has delivered on the mandate of renewal, stability, and national rebirth. The storms of the past years have not diminished him. They have made a fine sailor out of him. He has steered this ship through turbulent waters with courage, taking difficult but necessary decisions to stabilize the economy, restore confidence, and prepare Nigeria for a more sustainable future. Hence, our support and reason for rallying around him. The truth that sets men free, as H.S. Aga said, is most often the truth that men prepare not to hear. When President Bola Ahmed Tinubu assumed the mantle of leadership, our polling results was a paltry $3.99 billion. Not enough to fund the importation of oil for 1 month. Instead of passing blame, instead of kicking the ball down the road, he decided to take far-reaching position to make the country work. And Nigeria is now working. He never resorted to cheap propaganda. Who betide anyone who criticizes late President Muhammadu Buhari before President Tinubu? And that is a testimony to his fidelity to relationships. We have crossed the Rubicon. We are out of the dark tunnel, and Nigeria is on a path to recovery and growth. In this democracy, every one of us has a role to play. Some will spread the beautiful successes of our party and administration. Banners will be lifted. Some will defend the process, and some will mobilize the people. However, it becomes on all of us to, as a matter of sacrifice and contribution, protect the hope of Nigeria. On behalf of our great party, I ask all Nigerians, I beseech on all our countrymen, irrespective of differences in political affiliations, religious persuasions, tribal or sectional background, to support this nomination, and by the special grace of God, the candidacy of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. Long live the All Progressive Congress. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you.